Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the rear engine mount on Seat Ibiza 1.2 petrol. This is the rear engine mount right there. The engine mount is held by 3 bolts. We're going to remove the 3 bolts and take out the engine mount. Now that the bolts are removed, we're just going to pull out the engine mount and it will come out. And as the engine mount out, putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.